Hello guys, this is Julia again giving updates for the job hirings abroad, and this time I will show you guys the different hirings for USA, which is structural welder, commissioning engineer, quality assurance control specialist, crane operator for for this agency, Atlantic Gulf and Pacific Company of Manila Incorporation, and address is Barangay San Roque, Bawan, Batangas, Metro Manila, Philippines, and this is their contact numbers too. So before this guys, I will show you that this agency is legit and legal, which is BOEA accredited. Let's check to the BOEA website. Okay, so I am here on the BOEA website, which it says approved job orders by agency as of April 20, 2020, and the agency is Atlantic Gulf and Pacific Company of Manila Incorporation. So this one is a BOEA registered agency, so it's a legal agency. So let's take a look on their job orders here, which is being posted. So country is Angola, position, and the date approved, that's January, and the job order balance is open. So as of now guys, there for this latest opening for this agency is not been yet posted for the job orders here. Okay, so anyway guys, I know that still lockdown in Metro Manila and still extended for the lockdown, but still I'm showing you these guys so that for those who is looking for a job, they have time to know about these hirings, and they have time to prepare for their, or they can email their applications. Okay, so this is structural welder. It says here qualifications, male or female, 25 years old and above, minimum of 3 years experience, at least high school diploma, and take note that this job has no placement fee here. So let's see, they are in need of 20 applicants for this job, and says apply until June 13, 2020. But if the situation again is being extended, so they will still post this job. Okay, so let's see, for the primary function, structural welders operate a variety of manual and automated welding equipment. They are qualified in multiple processes, including, so of course it's about welding. Okay, so these are the special skills and certifications. AWS certification in structural welding, TESDA certification, OSHA certification is preferred, global deployment, international experience is preferred. Okay, GMAW, MIG, welding a plus, SAW a plus, RMD a plus, experience using orbital welding equipment a plus, basic rigging experience is preferred. Okay, so specialist knowledge, experience selecting equipment and planning layouts, assemblies and welds, ability to weld in flat, horizontal, vertical, and overhead positions, ability to interpret welding procedure specifications, select filler materials per WPS, select and adjust gases per WPS, ability to read welding symbols on drawings, ability to set up and operate oxyacetylene cutting equipment, ability to work at heights from scaffold or elevated work platforms. Okay, so these are the duties and responsibilities. child activities. Okay, so it says here, interested applicants may send an application through email. Okay, so this is their email address. So those who are interested, you can send your resume or application at monica.panopio@agpglobal.com. Okay, so let's see the other hirings. So they are also in need of commissioning engineer. Okay, so they are in need of commissioning engineer. It is same agency by Atlantic Gulf and Pacific Company of Manila Incorporation. Agency. Okay, so qualifications, male or female, 25 years old and above. Minimum of 3 years experience, at least bachelor's college degree. And take note also that this job has no placement fee. Okay, so there are only 5 vacancies for this job and apply until June 13. Okay, so primary function, technical responsibility for the scheduling and testing of the pre-commissioning, commissioning and start-up activities to move the capital project from construction to completion and plant operational status. Specialist skills certifications, bachelor's degree in engineering for a program with preference for BSME or BSEE, API standards for commissioning and startup of process equipment for LNG refining, petrochemical and chemical plants. Specialized knowledge, comprehension of process design and piping and instrument design, mastery of plant startup and shutdown sequences, working knowledge of all these disciplines such as mechanical, instrumentation, electrical, and piping systems at both engineering and crafts levels. Okay, so these are the duties and responsibilities. Perform preliminary check out of all systems and components prior to startup. Coordinate checkout, release, and startup of systems with subcontractor and client. Ensure proper storage of equipment waiting for installation includes compliance with storage equipments. Excuse me. Interpret drawings, identify errors, omissions, make corrections, compare signal compatibility between control equipment supplied by different vendors, perform additional assignments per supervisor's direction. Okay, so this is their email address. So those interested applicants may email their application or resume through this email address, monica.panopio@agpglobal.com. Okay, so we go to the next. So quality assurance control specialist. Alright, so quality assurance control specialist. It is same offered by Atlantic Gulf and Pacific Company of Manila Incorporation Agency. And there are 5 vacancies for this job only. So qualifications, male or female, 25 years old and above, minimum of 3 years experience, at least bachelor's college degree. And take note guys that this job has no placement fee. Okay, so let's see all their special skills and certification. Bachelor's, 4 years degree in engineering or related technical discipline with vast experience in quality control specialist work, with vast experience in quality control specialist project site work, ISO 9000 certification plus, global deployment, international experience is preferred. Okay, so specialist knowledge, industry standard knowledge for industrial construction disciplines, skilled at developing, training, and implementation quality processes and procedures which comply with or exceed industry good practices. The above includes knowledge of civil, structural, piping, mechanical, and trades with QAC. QAQC specialist is assigned to knowledge of testing of components installed to ensure quality installations, experience in auditing or assessing compliance to processes and procedures. Alright, so it is same. If you are interested, please submit your application to, or please email your resume or application to Monica. So the email address for this agency, which I said already a while ago. Okay, so next, crane operator. Okay, so they are in need also of crane operator for USA, and it is same agency, Atlantic Gulf and Pacific Company Manila Incorporation in Barangay San Roque, Buawan, Batangas, Metro Manila, Philippines. And qualifications: male, 25 years old and above, minimum of 3 years experience, at least high school diploma. And take note that this job has no placement fee too. So there are 5 vacancies for this job. Okay, so specialized knowledge of crane operator, crane equipment, and equipment inspection and maintenance training, and knowledge of load charts and engineered lifting plans include engineered drawings and step-by-step plans, knowledge of ANSI standards in order to inspect, maintain, and operate equipment to which they are assigned. Alright, duties and responsibilities of crane operator: services the main engine and crane machinery, which will include but not be limited to changing oil and filters, fueling and lubricating gears and bearings, responsible for oversight and supervision of the task related to installation, maintenance, and repair of process and mechanical related systems. She performs daily equipment inspections of wear, tear, abrasions, oil and grease levels, damage, cleanliness, and overall condition of the equipment. Ensure safe operation of equipment in the rigging and lifting scopes of the work assigned. Maintains crane and equipment logbooks. Writes daily reports regarding all lifting activities associated with applicable cranes and equipment. Monitors weather conditions to ensure safe lifting of components. Owns each lift by ensuring that safe work practices are planned for and performed. Monitors the work environment, making sure that lifts are clear of workers, personnel, and any obstructions such as power lines of structures at height. So if you are interested, you can email your resume or application to monica.panopio@agpglobal.com. Alright, so this is for today, guys. I hope that through my blog will help those who are looking for jobs. And this is Julie again saying have a great day. Don't forget also to subscribe my channel, and see you soon. Bye bye.